Want to contact Claude customer support? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily contact with customer support of Claude. First thing first, you need to head over to the Safari on your device. In the address bar, search for Claude customer service or support. Now head over to the very first site, Claude Help Center. In this page, you can search for the article in which you want help. Or if you want to chat with the customer support, click on this chat icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can see tons of different options. At the bottom of the screen, you can see messages. Tap on it. Now from here, click on Send us a message. Now from here, you can send any of the messages that you need help of. You can chat with them like a normal person. Not only this, you can also get the mailing address and also the phone number of customer service. You can freely contact them and get help. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.